Hi guys, it's Vonshae, and today I want to show you how a one-page site changed my whole life. When I first started marketing online, I used to have a website with tabs all the way across the top. And when people would come to my website, when they would leave, I had no clue of who was visiting my website. All I had was Google Analytics to show me that 100 people a day came or 200 people a day came, but I did not have a clue who was coming to visit my website. After I made this change, I was able to start tracking my stats. This is very important when you're running a business online and when you're trying to scale. So if you're posting ads and paying every day, then you want to be able to track how many people visited your website, how many people signed in, and how many people took action. So this is what you need. You need a one-page site that captures the name and email and phone number of your potential client before they enter your site. You can still have your products on the other side. You can have your cars, your homes, your styles, or whatever you do, you can have it on the second page of your site. But the first page needs to be name, email, and phone number. That's you collecting a lead from the people who come to your site from your ads. This will help you generate more leads and sales. I will give you a free 14-day trial to try this method and see if it works for you. All you have to do is sign up today. No credit card necessary. You'll receive a link with your domain coded to you, and you would have to put this link inside of your last 10 Craigslist ads so that you can start tracking from today forward. Should you decide to upgrade in 14 days, then you will have to register your own domain name, yourdomain.com, so that you can start branding your business the appropriate way. You want to brand your business for long term, and this is how you do it. So for right now, I'll give you a link so that you can do your tracking. You add the link into your advertisements, and then all you do is sit back and wait on the leads to roll in. Because 40% of your clients that are online are not taking action by calling phone numbers. People who are online are in the mindset of being online, and they want to be able to complete a form. And then if they don't take action on the first time they visit your site, which 85% of people do not take action on the first time, but now you're in control and you're able to follow up with them every single day through your automated email sequence that you'll be setting up after you get your site registered. You'll set up a follow-up sequence so that your emails can go out every single day to stay in their face so that when they're ready, you will make the sale. So click the link below and get started today if you're ready to test out your trial website. Have a great day.